What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Crispy, and I'm back with another video. Alright, and it's been a little minute, alright, and I apologize for that. Alright, the reason why I've been away from YouTube, I guess for the last like week or so, 2 weeks, I've been messing around with a new setup. This is actually not even the setup just yet, so most likely my next video or the video after that will have my new setup completed. All right, but for sure, man, welcome to the channel. Make sure that you subscribe, all right, because as you guys know, I'm providing a lot of knowledge for you guys, all right, and my main goal is to get you guys to the next step and help you reach success. All right, so make sure that you stay tuned. All right, I plan to do a huge giveaway. All right, I'm actually creeping up on 1,000 subscribers, so I appreciate that. You guys have been amazing. All right, the Discord chat has been litty. All right, and pretty much, yeah, I'm in a few trades right now, actually, as we speak. Right now I actually have everything at break even. All right, I'm up actually $300 right now, literally in a trade. All right, and I'm actually gonna show you exactly what I did to go ahead and jump into this trade right here. All right, and basically, I'm a very simple trader. And my main goal is to go ahead and, I guess, give you guys enough motivation, because you guys can literally do this too. All right, I chill at the house. All right, I'm on the beach, I'm over here at Starbucks. All right, and I'm literally making money off of my phone, my computer. All right, and I just want to go ahead and help you guys reach that financial freedom, that you guys are looking for. All right, so before I jump into the computer, all right, make sure that you subscribe, all right, because my next video, I'm going to do a giveaway, all right? And what I want you to go ahead and do is I want you to go ahead and drop a comment right now, all right? And go ahead and drop your 2021 New Year's goals, all right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to choose somebody on New Year's Day, all right? And especially if I reach to 1,000 subscribers, all right, I'm going to choose one lucky person, give them $100, all right? I'm also going to choose the other few comments and give you guys, $10, $20 BTC, just so you guys can start trading and earning money, all right? So what I want to say before I jump into the computer, all right, it took me about 6 months to really become profitable in trading. All right, you guys are gonna actually be able to go ahead and get there a lot faster by using some of the tools and resources that I'm able to provide to you guys. So you guys are gonna actually like jumpstart your trading career versus having a ton of losses, blown accounts, and things like that. All right, I've blown not hundreds of accounts, but I've blown hundreds of dollars for sure. All right, on trading. Like, I think my biggest loss ever on a specific trade was around $6,000. All right, so trust me, I could have given up right then and there and just say, yo, trading isn't for me. But look, man, if you stay with it, this is like with anything that you do. If you just stay with it, all right, you're guaranteed to reach success. All right, so just stick with it and start now, because if you start now, imagine you're trading in 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. All right, this time next year, when we're going into 2022, you guys will be the ones making the videos telling people, hey, you can do this too. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the computer. All right, my recording software right now, I don't have it fully set up, but I just wanted to make sure to get you guys a video. All right, especially since I'm up right now in the trade, I figure what better time to go ahead and show you guys a little bit of motivation than right now. All right, I promise to go ahead and put out at least 4 videos before the New Year's, which is actually Friday. All right, I'm actually going to be dropping one every single day this week, so stay tuned for that. All right, so let's go ahead and jump directly into the computer. All right, let's see here. Boom, boom. All right, so as you guys can see here, all right, this is where I took my trade. All right, exactly here, and this is the 1 minute chart for gold. All right, and my settings are literally nasty. All right, right now, as you guys can see here, you could have taken any of these trades and actually been profitable. All right, and this is what I mean by jump starting your trading career. All right, guys, like, you guys are literally gonna be able to use the same software that I'm using, all right, to literally get you to the next level before blown accounts. All right, because if you follow the steps in this video right here, you're gonna go ahead and at least become a much more successful trader. Right, imagine if you can win 2-3 more trades a week. All right, you're talking about an extra 200-400, and some of you guys, that'll be an extra few $1,000s. All right, I know some of you guys are literally killing it. All right, before I go ahead and jump into how I actually took the trade, all right, I do want to show you guys the Discord as well. All right, so I actually put this here about, let's see here, 11:43. All right, and right now it is 12:28. So this is exactly what I mean. All right, when I scalp, all right, I try to get into the trade. All right, right now I'm up 289. When I scalp, all right, I only want to go ahead and get a few pips, all right? But what happens is what I try to do is I like to go ahead and get my stop loss into break even and just let the trade ride out. So usually when I scalp, I'm only in the trade for 15 minutes. Right now I've been in this trade for about an hour. All right, so it just goes and to show you the beauty of this specific indicator that I'm using. It lets me hold my trade much longer. I would have already closed out if I didn't have this indicator, right? So if you want to go ahead and get the link, get Trusted Signals, the link in the description for that, all right, is literally helping a ton of traders, all right. This person here is practicing on their demo account, all right. Burn, which actually he just dropped a few videos as well. So join the Discord, check out, because what I'm trying to do is, all right, I'm not like these other gurus where they don't want other people to blow up, from their little success that they found. All right. I want you guys to use me as much as you guys can to go ahead and push you guys to the next level. All right. So, yeah, Burn, go ahead and check out his YouTube. All right. I'm most likely going to drop the link in the description as well, so you guys can check out how he's using Trusted Signals. All right. But yeah, 141 pips. All right. Destiny, which is a great help in my Discord chat as well. All right, 100 pips using Trusted Signals. All right, Ali Mohammed literally lighting things up. All right, as you guys can see here, look at the lot sizes. Okay, guys, 0.01. You guys can drop a 0.01 lot size. All right, there's no excuse. My boy Ali over here is profiting $99 right now. All right, 1,000 plus pips on a small account. All right. So there's more people in here just showing their, confirmations, all right, and their profits, all right. We have a few people who dropped their testimonials as well. So, Selena's literally been murking the charts, all right. With proper risk management, you can lose 26 trades and win 20 and still be profitable, all right. So like I said, these chats over here are very, very helpful, and it's just going to become one of those things where, you're going to go ahead and just take your trading to the next level just by using this simple indicator right here, right? So how I took this trade today, all right, and let me actually tell you, today's Monday, all right? Actually, today's not even Monday, dude. Like, hold up, I'm lost. What's today's date? Today's Tuesday. That's when I tell you, like, I'm literally all over the place. Trust me. Like, my mind has been moving a million miles per hour. So this is my first trade of the actual week, all right, the trade week, all right? And as you guys know, I also post my trades in my Discord chat just, to get some other ideas and opinions, all right? And maybe you guys jump into trades with me, So as you guys can see here, I'm using the Divergence Oscillator provided by Trusted Signals, and the Trusted Signals indicator itself for the buy and sell alerts. All right, my settings for this, all right, is 2.6 and the depth is at 1. All right, I also have my ADX filter turned on. All right, now out the box it comes at like, I believe like around 20 something, and this might be like 12.8 and this might be at 4. All right, this is my setting specifically for the gold 1 minute. So you guys can copy this and basically do the same trades that I'm doing, all right? Now, what I actually like is the ADX, all right? It's only going to show you the bigger swing moves, all right? And I have my ADX smoothing kind of raised up because what I want it to give me a little bit more trades, okay? So if I have this lowered, all right, it's going to actually take off some of these sell signals and buy signals, all right? Now, the only thing that I had on this specific trade, all right, was the support and resistance, okay? Now, when I jumped into this trade, as you guys can see here in the Discord chat, all right, let's see here. When I jumped into the trade on my Discord chat, all right, I jumped in right here before the actual sell signal, all right, came about, all right? Now, that's what I'm all about, all right? I want you guys to go ahead and just find your own strategies and just use the signal indicator as an extra added confirmation, okay? Because here's the thing, all right? I jumped into this trade just off of the support and the RSI, all right? Literally on a 1 minute chart, okay? So let's go ahead and jump back into the trading view, all right? So what ended up happening is, okay, I ended up seeing that there was a resistance, okay, this red line, okay, which is added directly into trusted signals right here. Boom. I turned this on and I saw that there was a tiny resistance, okay, at this level. But not only did I see that there was a resistance here, but we are currently overbought, all right? So all I'm doing, all right, and this is my divergence oscillator, right? Now, for my divergence oscillator, all right, as you guys can see here, the oscillator that I'm using, all right, out of the 9 and 1, I'm using the RSI, which is relative strength index, all right, and I have my settings at 20, which opens up this channel, all right. Now, like I said, this might be very, repetitive because I am going over strategies that I'm using over and over. All right. Notice how I'm not even bringing up anything new right now, even though I have been testing other strategies. Right now, I just want to get you in the door, all right, to become profitable, win more trades, all right? Guess what? I'm not taking any of these trades that are inside this channel, all right, guys? Notice how on the indicator itself, there's barely any trades here because guess what, guys? I have this specific indicator maximized for my specific trade style. This is going to go ahead and give you the ability to go ahead and use whatever style you're using to go ahead and help you get to the next level. All right. I'm currently in this trade right now. All right. Up $326. All right. Currently, I'm still in this trade. And notice how I have my stops to break even. Okay. Which goes, with my trading style, because guess what? Now I can ride this all day potentially, all right? Right now I see a little resistance, but we're still selling, all right? ADX is not showing any buy signals right here, so I'm going to stay in until maybe an ADX buy signal, all right? I actually take away half of my profits now, all right? We're also getting oversold as well on a resistance level, so right now might be a good time for me to close out as well. But, I'll wait until the indicator gives me a little bit of extra added confirmation, all right? So all I did was I waited until we're out of the channel, all right, this purple zone, all right? And what I did is I just saw that there was a resistance level, all right, outside of my channel, and I entered the trade before the sell signal. Then 1 minute later, literally, the sell signal arrived on the chart, and I know I'm in a good trade, all right? And I'm able to go ahead and write it down. All right, now these support zones, all right, these are areas where now if you raise back up to here, all right, what you're gonna want to take partials, all right? When you see a big support line, all right, or vice versa resistance when you're in a buy, these can be key levels for you to go ahead and take your profits at, all right? So right now we're seeing a rejection here, and we're now coming back out of this channel. So most likely we're gonna be up on the rise and try to find a way back up, okay? So now potentially we're over sold. I could have exit right here and then hop in for a buy right around now and ride it back up on the RSI levels. All right, guys. So basically what I'm trying to show you guys is that, look, this is my first trade. It's Tuesday. All right. Also, too, I'm not constantly on the charts because I have this indicator set up for my alerts. All right. You can actually come here. All right. And click this. All right. And you can go ahead and set up alerts for the trusted signals indicator. All right. So you can do buy or sell alerts. All right. Once per bar closing. Now notify me on the app, show pop up, send email. All right. And then you can put all right. So boom, now every time you see an alert, you'll get a notification on your trusted on your trading view app, all right, saying, hey, get back on the charts, all right? So you can actually do the same thing for the divergence oscillator as well, all right, and the doji scalper, all right? Any alert for the doji scalper, which I'm gonna make a few videos on that this week as well. Boom, RSI, and then now you can go ahead and put entering a channel or exiting a channel, okay? And basically you can set up all types of alerts directly to hit your phone and say, hey, for me personally, I wouldn't set up alerts for the 1 minute chart unless you plan to be on that specific, chart the whole day. But look, boom, there's a resistance. Now I could have got in right or out here, all right, and hop in for a buy most likely. And look, most likely in a few seconds, few minutes, we'll get a buy signal right here saying, hey, we're going up, all right? So that's what I mean by using this to your benefit, all right, guys? And what I would go ahead and say is, all right, try this out, all right? It's only $69 a month, all right? I would actually recommend to you guys you know, definitely go with the lifetime, because the lifetime right now is going huge special right now. Is it like $1,000 off of the lifetime? So definitely go ahead and you know, buy this because it's gonna just help you out. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and see here. Boom. All right. Listen. Click the link in the description. All right. Get trusted signals. All right. I'm going to drop a few videos on helping you guys how to maximize and get to the next level. All right. And pretty much what I want to go ahead and let you guys know is if you use code Easy Profits right now, you're going to get $100 off of the monthly, not the monthly, the lifetime. All right. And reach out to me in the Discord, link in the description for that. All right, stay tuned until my next video because I promise I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a few giveaways. All right, and New Year's. All right, New Year's is coming up, so my next video is gonna be how to maximize and grow your account in 2021. And also, I have a few videos coming out about Shopify, Facebook marketing, all right, how I'm using Facebook Marketplace, literally, all right. So even though I'm making money different avenues, you know, I'm a realtor, I'm a real estate expert, all right. I sell homes for a living, all right. I trade. I have Shopify drop shipping websites, all right. I do Facebook Marketplace marketing, all right. My eBay, I bring in around $6,000, $7,000 a month off of my eBay. All right, going to Ross, Goodwill, like literally, when I tell you I hustle because at the end of the day, it's like, why would I have this money sitting in my account when I could go ahead and purchase something, all right, for $5-10 and then sell it for $30, $40 to $100, all right? These are the type of things that I want to go ahead and show you guys, all right? So join the Discord, all right, investment invite, all right? And we have a different chat room for different things, so you can go ahead and, you know, let's say you're a reseller and reselling shoes, all right? There's a chat for you in there, and you could talk with like-minded people and pretty much just, you know, get your life on track, all right? So guys, I appreciate you guys for watching this all the way through, all right? If you watch this all the way through, drop a comment and let me know, all right? Because that is, you know, a huge help to me, the channel, and the growth, all right? 1,000 subs, giveaways coming, all right? Until the next video, peace.